Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers immediately. Outdated drivers are one of the biggest reasons you're experiencing lag in Hogwarts Legacy. Head to nvidia.com or amd.com depending on your card, download the latest driver version, and install it. This alone can boost your frame rate by 10 to 20 frames per second. Step 2. Lower your graphics settings strategically. You don't need to turn everything to low. Instead, focus on reducing ray tracing quality first, then dial back shadows and ambient occlusion. Keep your resolution at native and maintain your refresh rate. This keeps the game looking beautiful while eliminating stutters. Step 3. Close background applications running on your system. Discord, Chrome, streaming software, and other apps are eating up your RAM and CPU power. Use Task Manager to shut down everything you're not actively using. You should see immediate improvements in overall performance. Step 4. Enable Performance Mode in your operating system settings. Windows has a built-in feature that prioritizes gaming performance over other tasks. Go into Settings, find the Game Mode section, and toggle it on. This frees up system resources exclusively for Hogwarts Legacy. Step 5. Clear your shader cache and verify game files through Steam. Sometimes corrupted cache files cause stuttering and lag. Right-click Hogwarts Legacy in Steam, go to Properties, Local Files, and verify integrity. Also manually delete your shader cache folder. Restart the game and you should notice smooth frame rates immediately.